Storks are among the oldest birds on Earth and have barely changed over millions of years. Scientists have found stork fossils that are over 30 million years old. They appeared during the Oligocene epoch, a time when ancient animals roamed the Earth and the climate was warmer than it is today. It's believed that the ancestors of storks first appeared in Africa and southern Europe. They gradually spread across the world, choosing wetlands and open plains to live. Their long legs and beaks helped them survive in water, while their broad wings allowed them to fly for thousands of kilometers. Storks became a symbol of happiness and family well-being in many countries. In ancient Greece, storks were considered sacred. In Europe, people believed that if a stork built its nest on your roof, your home would be blessed with good luck. That's why the legend appeared that storks bring babies. Storks are incredible travelers. Every autumn, they fly to Africa, covering over 10,000 kilometers, and in spring, they return to Europe and Ukraine. They use rising warm air currents to glide and save energy while crossing huge distances. Sadly, due to deforestation, draining of wetlands, and pollution, the number of storks has decreased. But people are helping by installing special nesting platforms on poles and rooftops to protect these beautiful birds. Stork nests can weigh up to 500 kilograms, over 1,100 pounds. They return to the same nest year after year. Storks eat frogs, snakes, fish, and insects. Storks are not just beautiful birds. They are a part of nature we must protect. Next time you see a stork, remember you're looking at a living descendant of birds that lived millions of years ago. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss new, interesting stories about animals and nature. Comment below if you've ever seen a stork in real life.